right? Okay, I'm not going to remove this. I'm going to add more. That is about the command prompt in command line or command prompt. What you have to do in the command prompt, basically, to access the path, you can move to the path using Explorer window and type CMD in the address bar. Type CMD in the address bar. To access the path, you can move to the path using the Explorer window. Explorer window, you can open using Windows and E key and type CMD in the address bar. Example, so if you move to the command prompt like this, and then let's try this, then type CMD there. If you type CMD there, then it will open command line in that path. Okay, that is the important thing. Just to, so this part you can take a print screen if you want without writing. I went to the Explorer path. Then I did type CMD. It has opened the command line. It has opened the command line there. This part you can take a print screen. Or screenshot. Or you can recreate this.
Yes, sir.
Right? If you recreate this, that will develop your skills. You can even write a book later because you know how to add the print screen to your note. No, then you can write a book later. Maybe you will become a youngest person, one of the youngest person to write such type of book. So it can be like this. Because a lot of youngsters nowadays, I have seen a lot of young people with special skills, right? Special set of skills. So because we also have some musical people or aesthetic people around us. Just I saw in YouTube, there's one of my actually favorite performer. Let me show me. I'm not sure whether it's there in the YouTube. So this is actually not young person. This one, Carolina. One of my favorite kid, and she's only like 11 years old. It's like you all. She's having 4.83 million subscribers. 4.83 million subscribers, right? And she's only, so she's performing using her violin. Maybe we have one friend of us. I'm not sure whether he's here. You can just see her videos. Carolina, what is this? Trotsenko. Trotsenko. Yeah. She's only 11 years old, but having a very good healthy channel, right? It's a healthy channel. So you can, if you want, you can see there's a calculator actually. YouTube views to money calculator. There's something like that. So interesting one.
So can we find money from YouTube?
Yeah, that's why people are doing channels, right? This is estimated YouTube money calculator. So this channel is also owned by Sri Lankan kid. So this is what's the name? Village Life. I think I have given this to you. Village Life. She's also again she's 11 years old. Again Sri Lankan girl, 11 years old. What she does here, she's having 1.76 million subscribers. 1.76 million subscribers. If you compare the same with local TV channel, so let's compare this with a local TV channel. This is her channel, right? 1.76 subscribers. So let me show one local TV channel. Just okay. Some local TV channel. You can see the number of subscribers there. It's even less than this, 1.4 million. It's 1.4 million, but this girl, she's also again 11 years old, 1.76 million subscribers, and she won gold play button from YouTube. Gold play button from uh, gold play button from YouTube. That is given for 1 million subscribers. So this is she's the girl. This girl. She won gold play button from YouTube. Right? This is given for 1 million subscribers. You can just calculate the earnings by giving the username, maybe the Village Life channel. Okay, just give this. Just give the channel name. It's Village Life. And then you can just copy this and give the channel name to this one and import the username and see the revenue, estimated earnings. So this is YouTube to money calculator, something like that. So these people are doing this for hobby, but it additionally it generates some revenue. Right? It's a part-time revenue, generating part-time revenue. If you have a very good skill, try to start a YouTube channel, because when you become a teen or when you become an adult, one day you will have automatic revenue method from YouTube. Right? Just give a try because it's easy. So this is it started playing, right? You can just give this and see. So, but you have to give the username and see, right? Okay, so finish writing the note.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. Now let's write the command also. Let's type the command. The command we have to use is, so I'm going to write the command here. You can copy the note while I'm typing. Command copy asterisk dot asterisk, then the location to paste. Example, so this is how you give the command, and let's write an example. Copy asterisk dot asterisk means all files basically. Copy all files, double dot slash. I asked to create another folder. What is the folder name?
Backup.
Yes, this is backup. I couldn't give here, right? Please edit your backup. BACKUP, backup. BACKUP. Right? That is to move asterisk dot asterisk dot jpg, anything. This is example, right? You can use anything. If it is Word file, if it is about Word file, you can give asterisk dot docx. If it is about Excel file, you can give asterisk dot xls. Right? If it is about PDF file, you can give asterisk dot pdf. If it is about all files, all kind of files, asterisk dot asterisk. Then to the backup. So those are the commands. Or you can give the exact path, right? You can give copy asterisk dot jpg. You can give the exact path if you want. Exact path means the lengthier path. C users admin desktop, let's say only something like that. You can give the full path of the folder. This is only example, right? If your full path is C users admin desktop and you have the only folder name the only, you can write like this. Okay, with that I'm going to stop for today. Have you finished writing the note? So I can stop the lesson. So please